Now I want you to go to the data export. Type data export on your setup.
On my setup.
Your setup. No, okay. You are using global search. Data export here. How to say? Yeah. Use data export. There is one inbuilt tools called data export that you can use to export data from Salesforce platform, only to export data out of Salesforce platform. I just want to guide the Bratayo through on how to do the demonstration. Now, export, hold on, bros. If you click on export now, it's going to export whatever you want to, the object you want to export immediately out of Salesforce platform. Maybe for backup reason or for one reason or the other, you can use it to export it out. That is just manually. And apart from that, there is a way you can use it to do schedule export. So I already explained that export now simply means you don't schedule it. The schedule export simply means that, okay, actually I want to export this particular I want to export some record, but I want a situation whereby, why do you need to export in most cases? For backup, in case there is a breakdown of whatsoever system or something. Then you click on schedule export. That means when you say schedule export, it simply means that at a specified time, maybe once in every month, by the end of the month, there is a way you can program it without giving it the timing and everything, that at a specific time you can say, okay, at so date, every last Saturday of the month or every last Sunday of the month, at once every for a backup to export for you, it will export it. Now, brother Tayo, click on schedule export to demonstrate it. Now, this is it. You can now say start time. You can continue to set it. Now, the first thing you notice there, frequency. That means how frequent do you want it? Is it once? Click on the down arrow. Yeah, you can see now. Is it once? Is it 11 times? Is it 12 times?
Well, I think this is showing which day of the month.
Which one?
This particular one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Which the day of the month? Is it on the first? Is it on this thing? So that is the day that you want it. Now, every month now, that is another dot at the front. Click on every month. You see now, it simply means that every month at so time, maybe the first Sunday of the month, or the last, if you want to make it the last hold on, the down arrow before the first. If you are not going for the option of on the you can say the last one now there. You can pick the last. You know, the second, you have the first Sunday, you have the second, you have the third. Now it's on Sunday. That means every last Sunday of the month, of every month, this schedule export will trigger and it's going to do it for you. That is schedule. Then now you can now come to this place until the starting date you want it to be working this way. If you now say from this, that will be Sunday now, the last Sunday of the month. The last Sunday, yes. Then if you can now program it, change the 2024 now to 2030. 2030. That means it's going to continue like that till 2030. That's what it means. It will now be triggering and it's going to be exporting automatically as a schedule every month or the last day, the last Sunday of every month till year 2020. Then at what time do you want it? It should be like 7 p.m. when no one is working for the day because your company might be working on Saturday. So if just like that, it's going to be working like that all through. Now, the last aspect of it, export data, that means include all. That means everything that you have here, all this. When you say include all like this, that means every of these items that you have. If you check now, you're supposed to see your project custom objects. The custom objects will be also, it will be there, or it's supposed to be there. Both custom objects, both standard objects, all the objects on your platform will be. Then if you deselect up, if you want to specify only object that will not be included, then if you click, then it will exclude it. Let's check. No, click on this contract now. You see now, that means you want to select only some item. You don't want to make it to export everything. That means at this time now, since you selected contract, that means only contract that will be exported. But when you say include all data, go back to select include all data now. Yeah, means it's going to include all the data you have, both your custom objects, both the one that is standard, everything will be exported. So just click save now. Click save. Exactly. You've scheduled export. And then before 3 days to that time, it will remind you that your schedule is going to run at so time. That is it by data export. So if they ask you question, you can on the data export of on Salesforce. That is the inbuilt one now. The one you will be able to do on the setup. Go to setup and you type data export there. It's going to get the job done for you. That one, it can be once. That's the frequency. Now, in terms of frequency, once the so time, one time in a month. It can't be every day. So, and it cannot be every year. It can be on a monthly basis. That is what you can use the data monthly export service. That's why they call it monthly export service. It's a monthly thing, once in a month, like that, specifically. I want to demonstrate recycle bin to us, how you can use it to restore. Go to the project object. I want you to delete something from project objects. A certain record there, I want you to delete. Just pick one record. Yeah. Go back. At the front, this down arrow at the front, you didn't restructure it. Okay. Click on all. Now, at the front of this, let me just say installation project 1. Delete installation project 1. The down arrow at the front, yes. Delete it. You've deleted it now. And after you notice, oh, why did I deleted that particular record that we need this and this and that, and you need to restore it. Or if by any mistake somebody deleted a particular record from your company, where you're going to restore it back is recycle bin. Recycle bin is accessible not at the back end, it's accessible at the app launcher end, at the front end. So, Bratayo, please go to app launcher now. type recycle bin there. Now, at the front of the recycle bin, the down arrow, click on it. Yeah. Okay. Now, you can use a list view. Oh yeah, Bratayo, use list view to extract, to filter what you just deleted now. Use list view to you can't go and use list view like that. Click
Oh, yeah.
click on the yes. Uh-huh. Uh yeah.
Solution
Project
get to solution one.
or let's say project deleted
Install.
today.
Oh, okay.
Project yeah. Yeah, you can say all users can use it. If it is only you, you'll be the only one that will be able to use it. Click save. It's not still coming now. Then you need to add filter. Deleted,
Deleted dates.
yeah, equals today.
Today's date today.
Then click save. Now so.
Okay.
Then now you can now click on well,
Restore.
brother. Okay, yes. You click on restore. Click on restore. Let's go to the front end now. And then you can see now it's gonna be there.
Yeah.
Back there, yeah.
Huh?
It's there.
Is it?
Yeah, that's it. That's how you can use as simple as that. So if it is 1,000 record you that's
So when that day that I was talking about one project from Trailhead that I deleted, I did not use list view. So I type in the search. I think I did control S or something, or control find. So when I
okay.
typed it in and it brought out that particular uh case subject, so I was able to restore it.
Okay, yeah. So the list view is a very powerful tool. It can help you to do so many things. So for the recycle bin, that's how it's being done.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.